Hey, what's up guys? So we're here at the beach. As you can see, my wife and kids over there straight ahead with the umbrella playing in the sand. It's gonna be fun. It's a great day. The good thing is it's 90 degrees up in here, and you go by the beach and it's like 70 with a nice breeze. Set up our patio umbrella. Gotta love it. There we go. As we're getting closer, you see our setup here. Mommy's got like a little sheet, a little bed. And you see Patrick and Peyton there. Mommy's talking to her mom. There it is. Everyone's got their camp set up here. Gotta love this setup. See, we hooked up an umbrella, kind of set it up like that so we can hang out in the shade a little bit. Patrick and Peyton are having a blast over here. Hey guys, you having fun? Yeah? Yeah? You want me to do a cool picture? All right, ready? No. 1, 2, 3. No, come on, I gotta take one. Peyton, smile. 1, 2, 3, cheese. One more. 1, 2, 3, cheese. 1, 2, 3, cheese. All right, good. Awesome, guys. Thanks. Man, you gotta love this setup. Kids having fun. Got their paddles, sand castles. Anyways, let's go look at the water. Ooh, the water's nice. It's cool. It's breezy. I want to sit here like tourists, having fun in the sand. Anyways, all right, guys. You gotta love this. Kids having fun at the beach. Look at that. Look at her. Yeah, she's having fun at the beach. You having fun, Peyton? Yep. Yep, she says. Yeah. It's great.
Hey, no, that's mine, okay?
I love that. Gotta love that.
You want to take a picture of both of us?
Yeah. Nice. Pay's watching. Good one. Zoom in on Pay doing her thing. Look at her. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. Why?
You're at the beach?
Who?
Yeah, my mom.
Oh. And Patrick. You having fun, Patrick?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like this, huh? Yeah?
She's looking in her little
Yeah, look at her. She's like in her little spot. She's sitting there. She's having a good time.
The sand is hot.
Yeah.
Let me get you. Is our seat?
Yeah, there's our seat. It's nice here. Ah. Oh, yeah.
It's a perfect day.
It's a real
Like,
perfect
you know
day.
how I don't really like the sun?
Yeah. This is great.
There's still sun, but not a lot of sun.
I know, and it's windy and it's perfect temperature. It's probably like about 70 degrees right now.
What about the
It's all-
football or something?
Yeah, I know.
Well, then again, like I said, this is like our first time at the beach. Like,
Yeah.
we don't know how.
All right, here we are, kids eating Cheez-Its, hanging out at the beach. How's it taste, Peyton? Good? All right. Yeah. Yeah, can I try it? Okay. Good. Good. Pringles, sour cream, my favorite. Anyways, all right, guys, signing out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And we will catch up with you later.
Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this loving